Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get double the Fashionwave tokens in Heartopia. Super simple and super fun to do. Anyways, you are going to go to Azure. You can actually just go straight to a DG member or to your friends here. So go to Fashionwave and go to the sell items. It says double procurement price this week. It says check today's high value procurement info from other DG members. So check that. So for instance, this you want to sell the frosted pancake. So these people, they own the frosted pancakes. There is a limit per person though, like 10,000 I think Fashionwave tokens, or was it 100? I think it was 10. But basically, since they have this item, they are able to consign this item, and you're actually able to trade your items in exchange with Fashionwave tokens. It's not going to take away their Fashionwave tokens, but it's just going to take their energy. So make sure you give them food if you do want them to consign your items. Basically, this is what it looks like when you want to consign, when you ask other DG members to consign this item, but you will get double the price. So don't sell to Azure, sell it to your friends. Yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Okay, sorry, the weekly quota for it is 50,000. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!